Drinkable TV is turning its attention to a featured tool, the bar spoon. Aaron, a bartender from Tavern on the Green located in New York City, invited us to learn more about the bar spoon. Many bartenders like Aaron use various types of bar spoons that are tried and true. They're used to foam, mix, float, and stir with ease. There are bar spoons with tridents at the end, good for taking hold of garnishes. Spoons with muddles that make it handy when making drinks that require crushing fruit or sugar cubes. Sometimes you'll see bartenders with old-fashioned signature red caps on the end of their bar spoons, which are removable. Spoons with teardrops end up doubling as a way to crack ice with ease. But what really stands out is the twisted handle of the bar spoon. It is perfect for stirring. The twist on the handle complements the stirring motion, making it continuous and smooth. It also prevents splashing. Whatever cocktail you're making, the bar spoon is a needed tool.